what are some tips and tricks you can give to new operators or other operators for how to best set up their space for success? I learned a lot from you personally.
The only way I can look at it is take what I know from bars, and in order for a bar to be like profitable, successful with the amount of people you've got behind it, every single step that someone needs to make costs you as a business money. Not only is it costing you labor, but it's time. It's the time that it's taken someone to move from A to B in order to achieve C is where you need to try and save money and time. So what I found with the cloakroom is when we're full, when we've got as many jackets as we can hold, which is I believe 800 per floor. It's very large. There's a lot of steps you need to take to go and to get each jacket. So we put a few things in place to try and squash that down a bit to the point where we've kind of got a chain of people that pass jackets along instead of you having to take steps with the jacket. We'll also keep condensing the cloakroom until it becomes a little box just in front of the door. So all of our rails are luckily movable on wheels. So we'll just keep squashing the coats that little bit more together, getting rid of the empty hangers so that in the end, we're left with, even if there was 800 jackets at the beginning, by the end of it, we're left with one rail just with the leftover jackets on it. So as people are coming up, there's now no runners left in the cloakroom. It's just the attendant left on the counter because you can turn around and our last 20 coats are just right behind out within an arm's reach without having to use one step. So then that's every step, as I say, it costs the business money. So that's how we've sped it up to the point of getting people out in less than 10 minutes now. And it's quite impressive, actually.